Hello students, in this video we are going to see HTML programs. Here for given HTML code we are going to write exact output along with font specification. So let's start with first program. As you can see on screen, two windows are there. First window having HTML code which is already given, and second window having output which we have to write along with font specification. Along with code explanation, side by we'll see how output will be displayed. So let's start with code. HTML tag, head tag, title tag, computer step, title tag close. Here computer step is my title. So let's see in output screen, computer step is title of the page. That's why I'm writing title of the page. Next, head tag close, body tag start. That means actual web page starts here. Then H2. H2 is heading 2. In H2, U tag, title colon Megastar Company Limited, U tag close, H2 tag close. Now here title Megastar Company Limited will get two effect, H2 effect and U for underline effect. Now see in output, title Megastar Company Limited is underlined because of U tag, and it is in bold and it is in bigger size because of H2, because H2 is heading 2. By default heading is in bold and H2 is having bigger size. That's why title Megastar Company Limited is in bigger size. Now next one, P. Here P for paragraph. In paragraph tag I am writing address colon Surya Complex Mumbai, paragraph tag close. Now address Surya Complex Mumbai will get display in default font and in default text size. There will be nothing effect. Next one, H4. B tag deals in, B tag close, H4 tag close. Now deals in having two effect, H4 and B. Here B stands for bold. So deals in will be displayed in bold. You can see in output deals in displaying in bold, and H4. H4 is heading 4. So size is little bit bigger but smaller than H2. Now next one, UL tag. UL stands for unordered list. Now LI software, LI hardware, LI peripherals. Now here we are inserting one unordered list. Okay, so here type is not mentioned, so that list will get display in that list will get bullet by default in disk. By default it will get disk. UL tag close, body tag close, HTML tag close. Now you can see in output, along with output I have specified right hand side font specification, that this text will get display in bold or by underline, or size will be default or font will be default, and so on, as you can see on screen in output. Moving to the second example, again HTML, head tag, title tag, introduction, title tag close. Here my title is introduction. You can see in output, introduction is my title, title of the page. Head tag close, body tag start, H1, B tag, computer science, B tag close, H1 tag close. Here computer science is having two effects, bold and heading 1. So now you can see in output, computer science is in bigger size and in bold. Because of B tag it is bold, and because of heading 1 it is in bigger size. Next one is HR. HR stands for horizontal rule. You can see in output after computer science horizontal rule is there. Next one, U. U tag computer science 1, U tag close. Now computer science 1 is underlined because of U tag. Again after that HR tag is there, HR for horizontal line or horizontal rule. After computer science 1, again horizontal rule you can see in output. And then H5 computer science 2. Computer science 2 will get effect of heading 5. You can see in output all the effects and specification of font specification. Moving to the third example, again HTML, body text start. Here title is not there. Then H1 align is equal to center. HSC board exam H1 close. By default your heading is aligned to left hand side. Okay, if you want to align center, then you are going to use align attribute. Here I am using align attribute is equal to center. So HSC board exam will get display in center, and by default it will be in bold and it will be in bigger size because of H1. Next one, P align is equal to center. Then I tag subject computer science, I tag close, P tag close. By default your paragraph is in left hand side. If you want center, then you are going to use align is equal to center. Then in that I tag is there, I for italic. In italic tag I am writing subject computer science. So you can see in output screen subject computer science is in italic and it is in center because P align is equal to center. That's why. Next one, P align is equal to center. Again paragraph is in center. B for bold. Theory and practical exams. B tag close. P tag close. Now you can see in output screen theory and practical exams are in bold because of B tag. Next one, again P align is equal to center. U total, U tag close. 200 marks, P tag close. Now here total 200 marks will be in center because that is in P tag start and P tags end, and P align is equal to center. That's why. Now you between U tag only total word is there, so total word will get underlined and 200 marks will be normal. Your default text and default font size and default size will be there for 200 marks. Body tag close, HTML tag close. Moving to the next example, HTML body H2 my country H2 tag close. Again in this example title tag is not there, directly body tag is there. So directly we are starting from web page. H2, that is heading 2, my country H2 close. So my country will be in bigger size. It will be by default in bold because of H2, and it will be aligned left by default because we are not using align is equal to center. That's why. Next one, HR for horizontal rule. You can see on output screen horizontal rule. Then BR for break the line. After horizontal rule space is there, that is because of BR. Next one, H1 tag. H1 space align is equal to center, India H1 close. Now here India will be display in center because of align is equal to center, and that is display in bigger size, that is display in bold because of H1. Then again BR tag is there, that is break the line. After India space is there because of BR tag. Then UL tag, after UL tag is word is there, so is word will be displayed in default font and default size. After that li is there, li great, that is list item great, li beautiful, li loving. So in UL type is not mentioned, so by default it will displaying this. It will display in this. So great, beautiful, loving will be in list format, and by default it types will be this. Then you will take clothes. Here people care for each other. This text will be displaying default text size and default font, because there is no tag is used for this line. Body tag close, HTML tag close. This is how you are going to write, how you are going to draw, or you are going to write output for the given HTML code. Thank you.